Giovanni here with Hardscape.com. We're in Bonita Springs, where our Rovere plank is being installed on an 8,000 square foot driveway. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the installation. Accurate Pavers is installing this project. They're doing a very, very good job. They're using our 4mm round spacer. This is an 8x32 plank going on this driveway, and it's a sunset installation. So they have about 5 to 6 inches of roll rock in here and 1 inch of paver sand, and it's just going beautiful. This area is ready, it's screened, ready for the porcelain to be installed. And here you see the guys putting it down. You can see how fast it goes. I mean, they started this not long ago, and they got a lot of the material down already. Some cuts being done on the other side. They're mud setting the borders entirely the way it's supposed to be done. This is just a beautiful, beautiful job. We'll be posting pictures of this project when it is completed. If you guys are looking to get pricing or information on jobs in the area here, Bonita Springs, Fort Myers area, Accurate Pavers is one of our certified installers. You can visit their website, accuratepavers.net, and you'll be able to get all of the information you need to have them come out and give you a free estimate. Again, these porcelain pavers are maintenance free, and they will be here for many, many, many years without giving the customer any issues in terms of fading, in terms of staining or oil stains, no sealing. It's virtually a maintenance-free product. If you're interested in finding out more about the product as well, you can visit our website, www.hardscape.com. And pricing on installation and products in this part of Florida, you can at this moment talk to Accurate Pavers. We also have a showroom in Fort Myers on 11780B Metro Parkway. Come take a look at all of the innovation that we're bringing into the southwest coast of Florida. Thank you.